guys, just Josh here, back out here with Captain Rig. Brought my sister along today. As you can see, it's a pretty rough day out, but we're gonna try to see what we can come up with, and hopefully we stay on the boat and don't manage to fall in. So stay tuned, guys.
But it's definitely a little sporty out here today hauling our traps. Got a couple traps up so far. One claw, got another keeper here. What do you got there, Josh?
That's right.
It's got a biter.
There we go. Oh. So the new recommendation with FWC is if you take both claws, the crab is going to have a better chance to live because they'll burrow into the ground and wait till their claws regenerate. Whereas if you take one, they're going to try to fight, and with one claw, if you're fighting a crab with two, they're most likely not going to live. So by taking both, what they've tested is you have a better chance of them surviving. So
yes, both claws of legal size. If both claws are legal size, recommendation, take them both.
There's that one.
I'm trying to learn how to.
Where's that one?
Wow, he was big ass.
What do you think there, Amanda?
Man, that's some good eating right
female.
there.
Yeah, there's some egg. Egg-bearing female, good girl. Oh, and we picked up a piece of driftwood out here. Look at this monster. Joshua also raises reptiles and snakes and things like that, so he's going to use this piece of driftwood for his enclosure.
I'm going to assume with all that mud that just wasn't a good area.
Yeah.
Not grassy enough.
Yeah, correct. What do you think, Amanda?
I could definitely do this again.
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh yeah.
Messy, isn't it?
I like messy, oh yeah.
It's a tradition that your first time out, you gotta let a crab hit your finger.
Yeah. We didn't tell you that yet.
We're gonna wait to find a big one.
Your initiation is letting your finger get crunched.
Might as well. Give it a go.
No, we're not going to do that. Alright, so pulling up the last trap of this stream.
There's some keepers in there.
Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, this is our broken hinge last time. Good old zip tie. There we go. windy, but at least there we go.
Oh, that one's a keeper there on that side.
Yeah.
What about this
good
one?
There. That is a keeper. 2 keepers.
That has 3 in it.
Yeah, a little windy and choppy out here today, but you know, as long as it's sunny, it's bearable. It's bearable. And I tell you what, man, I got this new reef and ledge foul weather pullover. Man, this thing is great. It's lightweight, fleece lined. None of this wind is getting through. So far, very happy with the foul weather pullover from Reef and Ledge. All right, we ready to move?
Ready?
All right, head
going.
next set.
This is JustJosh.
Yeah. Like maybe one in there.
I see some moving around.
Oh, it was a little one.
Little baby, little baby.
You want to get him? She's like, I'm upgrading to one with 2 claws.
There you go.
You say grab it from behind.
Put your hand around the top. Just push him out. There you go. Now just because if you can come behind him, stay back here pushing him, and then pinch him like that.
Oh,
So reach behind him, push him, and then grab those like that. Or you get him now.
okay. Hold on, little buddy. Ow, God, jeez.
Try not to reach underneath.
Woo! I try not to, but I felt him.
When you pinch underneath their bellies, they'll be able to
I
grab you.
felt him coming, so that's why I jerked his ass.
Oh, I see a keeper.
That's what I like to see. That is what I like to see when we pull up a trap.
He molted.
Yeah, look at that.
Pretty cool right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so grab him.
That's forward.
There we
Grab
go.
him.
Nice.
Grab him right behind the knuckles.
Here, set those.
Where's the knuckles?
So I'm actually holding his claw. See the big 2 ball things right here?
This right here?
Yeah, but grab your left hand on this side. You guys squeeze them hard now. When I no.
Just grab those claws.
Grab the
Pinch
claws.
'em. There you go.
Yeah, grab them. Hold them hard. Hold them hard. You got it? I'm gonna hold this one so you can feel this. Feel it? Now grab the other one. Hard. You got it?
Hold on.
Hold it hard. Just you got it. There it is.
Hold it up.
Hold on, let me
How
get
do
this other guy
I
out.
rip them apart?
Don't worry about that. There, hold it up a little bit. There you go.
Woo! It's my first time holding a crab with big ass claws. Sorry, I don't mean to say that.
There you go.
There you go. Nice.
Pull, don't be doing all that.
Nice. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming out with us today. It was a little sporty conditions to pull traps in. A little windy, choppy, but we got it done.
Messy, for sure.
Very messy, as you can tell.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Big thanks to Amanda, Josh's sister, for coming out and giving us a hand today. She did great for her first time crabbing. Big
Took me a
hand,
minute.
big help. You're all right. You did good. But we did have a good time. I think we've got a total of what, 30, 37, 6, somewhere around there. Yeah, somewhere there. So decent amount of claws. That should come up to somewhere around the 9 pound range. So good little haul of crab.
Definitely worth it, even though
we're all gonna eat good tonight. That's for
Absolutely.
sure. And a big shout out to all of our subscribers out there.
Thank you, you guys.
I know we're
awesome.
like at 29 or 30, but you know, for guys like us, that's great. You know, we really appreciate you guys watching these videos and coming along with us. So thanks again for all the new subscribers. Please like the videos.
Subscribe, guys. It helps a lot.
Comment, share the videos, everyone. We really appreciate it. Thanks again, guys. We will see you next time.